Bullish Smooth Love Potion SLP cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $0.17102 and $0.32303 by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach $13301 by 2025. Negative Smooth Love Potion market cost expectation for 2023 is $934. Smooth Love Potion SLP presentation. Axie Endlessness is an NFT-supported play to procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses two tokens in its biological system, Smooth Love Potions SLPS and Axie Limitlessness Shards AX. Fundamentally, SLPS are procured by playing the game. In the meantime, AX is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository finances spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP and Axie boundlessness biological system. Moreover, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Limitlessness? Axie Endlessness support the play to procure ongoing interaction model wherein players are compensated by basically investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for ongoing interaction. This isolates Axie boundlessness from the vast majority of the present customary closed-circle games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the obstruction to section was too high on the grounds that the expense for purchasing the three axies expected to play the game was cosmic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can, without much of a stretch, shell out the assets expected to purchase axies, however don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole impelled the grant and society programs. Through an Axie grant, the administrator or society purchases or gives the three axies that the player researcher will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan three axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to acquire and Axie vastness permit their backers to receive a portion of the benefits. So Sky Mavis is insignificant putting out fires mode and working twofold chance to recover and reconstruct trust in their convention. This ongoing situation positively didn't assist the cost with actioning of SLP. Smooth Love Potion SLP current cost. Smooth Love Potion is right now worth $3.3. SLP has moved 3.24% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,324,602. Smooth Love Potion is right now positioned 294 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $157 or 66,432 ST. Using the general strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Potion SLP to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. At present, Sky Mavis is caught up with restoring its picture and tending to the hack that tormented its framework and thus Axie boundlessness. It is currently offering a bug abundance to detect any weaknesses in its brilliant agreements or web-related frameworks. Appropriately, white cap programmers will get somewhere in the range of $1,000 and $1M relying upon the seriousness of every weakness found. In the meantime, bugs in the application or web connection points will be compensated with $50, $15,000. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Smooth Love Potion SLP market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Smooth Love Potion SLP Value Forecast 2023. Smooth Love Potion, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year SLP. The SLP cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $-5701. Likewise, with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $-5321 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $456. Smooth Love Potion SLP Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Smooth Love Potion SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $9 Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the SLP's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $761 and a typical exchanging cost of $361. Smooth Love Potion SLP Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $13301 and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $12161 and a low of $11421 in 2025. Smooth Love Potion SLP Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Smooth Love Potion effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.17102, with a base cost of $0.1522 and a typical cost of $0.15962. Smooth Love Potion SLP Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $19762 by 2027, with a base cost of $19882 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a greatest value worth of $292. Smooth Love Potion SLP Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $23562. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2472. Neglecting to accumulate the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $02282. Smooth Love Potion SLP Value Expectation 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $0.2663 and a yearly cost close above $8.53 in 2029. Smooth Love Potion SLP Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Smooth Love Potion will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.43 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.32303, averaging out at $0.031163. What is the Smooth Love Potion SLP cost today? Today, Smooth Love Potion SLP is exchanging at $0.38 with a complete market capitalization of $157.66 to $432. Is Smooth Love Potion a wise venture? Smooth Love Potion ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space.